Hey guys, it's me, the Dominus Mafia, and yeah, we're playing SCP-308. Oh, what the hell? Alrighty, let's get in it. Oh, alright, up there. Of course, I'm in the server on day 90. Okay, so a server on day 90. I'll take that and that. Oop. One down here. Looks like somebody's base is in the distance. I'll just take that. Something tells me I'm gonna need this sometime later. So, let's see. I'll take that, and you, and you. Oh! I'll take some of you. Alright, let me pick it up. There. Oh well. I'll just take one of you, and you. Fair enough. Oh! I don't know what this is, but I think I'm gonna take it. Okay, so we got like enough space for like 2 more items. Don't mind if I do. Alright, I think the real objective now is like it's literally like to make a base. Like I think that's we have an employee right here. Let's just try to make a base before this guy wakes up. This would be a nice place to make a base, right? I'll take you. That goes there. Let's just hope it doesn't turn nighttime while I'm building, right? Good. My God. Oh, I see an employee and I don't like it. Now, if the lights turn off while I'm still building this, my first instincts are to run. Or I'll just stay here actually, but I don't know. I think I might do like. Well, it's like I can't pick that up. I pretty much made me a base without proper materials. Oh, wait, somebody's in the distance. Are you like building a base? You're building to the sky, so I'm gonna take this. You're building a sky base, so trying to do some intense fun. I'll just take this. Alrighty. Enjoy going back up again. You just enjoy your time. I enjoy myself. Oh, someone's there. Now I just might as well camp up here instead. Like, there's a less chance of me dying here. Here. It's been daytime for a while in this game. I got nothing against that though. Oh. I fell down. Oh well. So. Oh, what the fuck? What? Alrighty. Well, I'm here now. Enjoy your ride down, cause I hope you do. Is you're not getting up there no time soon. Not again, it is. Oh, what did I just do? There. I'll just survive here now for some time. No, I should just venture out in the world while it's daytime. You enjoying yourself? Rebuilding that? Say I can't grab it. Let's see if I can. Nope, I can't reach it. Oh well. You know what? Hey. Oh well, I won't take that, but I'll take that. I'll take that. Bye. Alright, this is fun. Actually, I'm gonna, here, you want it? Let's chuck that over there. Oh well, I wish I was going to do something. I'll just take this and just run across the map. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your life. Are you chasing me? Nope, you're not going to chase me, because you know that I got your ladder, so I'm better than all you. To a point, I mean. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Same tells at the end of this song, it's going to be lights out, so, need to find me something. There's a toaster going around, so I could use this to my fair advantage. I'll just let me go up. Alrighty then. Even though I know the employees. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh god, that was just loud in my ears. Oh no, don't you dare come here. Don't you dare. Oh no. No. Let me eat this. I'm going to have to prepare to run in a minute, and I don't like it. No. Dude, you don't kill me. I don't want to die yet. Oh, this is just... What? Hey, come over here. Oh, did you hear me? Oh, somebody just whispered just now. Looks like somebody's screaming in the chat. Oh heck, Joe. Oh heck no. Okay, well, yeah, you just mind your business. You know, it'd be quite boring for me to actually stay in here. Surf what? Let's see, I can see, I need to find. Okay, so I turn my like brightness to max, and so you can see, like okay, so I joined a server. It's day. You know what? Forget it. I'm running. I don't care. I'm running. That's it. I'm just gonna run. If anything's to happen to me, I actually have nothing to say. I'm just gonna keep running. Oh, I hear somebody. No, just keep on. Oh, I thought that mannequin was an employee. I had to keep on running before I get sniped, or like, I don't know what happens on a blood night actually. Again, you guys know, cause like, are the enemies like faster? Do they attack harder? I have no idea. I need to find somebody like literally. Oh no, I pretty much just set myself up for running out here, but you know. Oh, I see somebody. I'm not gonna deal with that guy, you know. This usually doesn't help me either feel any happier right now. This is. Oh, okay. Do you see me? Are these guys just bugged? Are they just like in one place? Oh, back off! Oh, that guy's fast. Oh no, I'm out here. Oh no. Is he? Oh please, back off. No, I don't want to be hunted now. You gone? This seems see if I can jump up. Can you get up here? Please. The last thing I need right now is to get clapped up by... Let me up. Alright, good. Oh, that guy's still chasing me. Hey, you can't get me now. Can ya? Loser. Look at the little guy. Just look at him. Just look at him. He can't. He might have speed, but he. Oh. No! No! I can hear him! I don't like this! No! No! Oh, no. Oh, that's not good. Oh, no. Oh, there's more. What did I set myself up for? Oh, there's a base. I'm gonna camp in here for now. There's no way whatsoever. Oh, there's the rock. No. Back off. I do not need you, please. Oh! What? How did I get launched in the air? How did that even happen? What? It's like I just ran and then I get launched in the air. How is that even happen? What? Okay. I don't like that. I didn't like that whatsoever. I just lost all my food, all my medkits. Wait, why am I just standing around? I need to find another medkit station. Whatever you call those things. Medical state. Oh, I need to find that base back. I need to get my stuff. Does this have like despawn like when you die? Does it? I actually don't have no idea. Oh. That's nice. Oh, just keep running. Just keep running, please. I do not want to deal with this. Oh! Oh, you're an employee. You're the, your employee has no torso. But, that's an employee. So I'm going to run the opposite. Oh. I'm going to need some of these right now. I'm going to take some of these. Sometimes I'm going to need this sometime later. Why do these mannequins look like employees? That doesn't make me comfortable whatsoever. I think I found a tower base that I was at just like a little while ago. Nope, it's not the same thing. Where's the rock? I need him for company. Where's that picture of the rock? I think I can use him for some company. Because, oh. That was something, I admit. Alright, well, let's stop pondering on that and keep going. Is the base? No. Wait, is it? Somebody just... I think it's somebody's old base. Ooh, I do see some goodies here. I don't think they will mind if I take... Oh, yeah, this water bottle. Yeah, we'll take some of that. And that... Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I do. Don't mind if I... I'll take that.
The store is now closed.
Oh! Back off. I'm not dealing with this. Oh. Oh. No. I'm not dealing with that whatsoever. Oh. That just hit my health down low, man. I'm like 80 health left. If I get any lower, it's gonna be game over. So, hello there. I'm gonna use one of you. Oh. Oh, there you go. Health replenish. Keep running. Just keep on running. Oh, when is night gonna end? When is this nightmare literally gonna end? This is not fun, man. This isn't cool whatsoever. Oh, I think I found what I was at earlier. Where I like got stripped. No. Yeah, this is the exact place I think. Wait a minute. Are the employees still here? I don't see any employees.